name's David Robinson. I'm the chairman of the Repton Boxing Club. I've been chairman now for my 32nd year. I've been with the club since 1975. I arrived as a parent. Since after that, I've become a sponsor, and then after that, when the late Bill Cox died, I took over as chairman, and I'm still here to this very day. Well, it got to a situation here, going back 3 years ago. If you had a heavy deluge of rain, you just couldn't train the boys. It was practically impossible. We had 20, 30 buckets on the ready for a rainy day. So all it meant was the boys could go for a run round the block, and that's it, we had to send them home. It was just a deteriorating situation, month after month after month. There was leaks everywhere you looked. It was just unbelievable. Yeah, just was. You couldn't really function. It became dangerous for the boys to train in the gym. But now, as you say, it's a complete 100% watertight roof we have here now. The council gave us this building. There was a lot of haggling going on for many, many years, what we was going to get, what we wasn't going to get. Albert Jacobs, the former mayor, and our head trainer, Mr. Tony Burns, we pounded away at the council, and eventually we got at least for 1,000 years in 1999. So we more or less own the building. The only thing is we've got to keep it, maintained outside, internal, and everything else going with the club. No help at all. There's no help. We have to maintain everything. As you look around you now, when we had the roof done, it had to be with the Tower Hamlet's architect. Everything had to be light with light. We had to make sure that occurred right away through the renovation of the roof. The truth of it is, without Powerday, we wouldn't be standing up here the way we are today. They've been absolutely fantastic. What we've asked, they've helped us in every way possible to achieve a nice watertight roof. Apart from other areas in this club, they've helped us with. We've had unbelievable success over the years. Commonwealth champions, European champions, Olympic champions. We've had everything and everything here. World champions, John Stacey, Darren Barker, Andy Lee, Morris Soap. You go on and on and on. If you come here now, every year this club will excel everybody and have unbelievable champions, from schoolboy champions to ABA champions, LABT champions. We're a breeding ground here. If you turn up here for a night, I have to send boys away, which is I sadly have to do, because at the moment we're filled with capacity. Well, this floor, if you've just seen it, this is nearly 10 years old, this floor. Prior to that, we had a rubbled concrete floor, and 2 mornings a week we'd have to come in here, hack up the defective concrete, lay down quick dry cement, put bollards around it, and that was going for tonight. So this floor is remarkable. It's watertight, non-slip, it's perfect for us. And also the issue was at the time about girls coming to the club, and there was a lot of they can't. So the agreement was that because of the word that's acceptable this day for everyone, equality. And that's what it's all about, equality. The girls have to come here. So therefore, we also got funded the money to do the ladies' gym.
We put the ladies' toilets in here.
Down there.
And the showers.
As you look round here, and you're seeing history as you're looking at it. Boxers who boxed here 40, 50, 60 years ago.
Fathers, grandfathers.
All on there. You look round there, you see all sorts on the roof, on the high level there, on the black and white photographs. They're all international boxers who box for England. All up there over the years. Great boxers.
There's one exception to that. Tom Matala. He boxed for Switzerland.
Oh yeah, that's it, yeah. Tom is up there, Swiss is up there, yeah, on the right hand side, yeah. He was down a little while ago, Swiss, yeah.
He's the only one that's not...
he's not English, yeah. There's some fantastic fighters up there. I remember when they're young walking in the door, like young Humphreys and Gary McGuinness, and looking up there, young Masterson, Tony Cisse, unbelievable, David Stewart.
Even for me, even from my family, I see my brother-in-law's up there, and his son's over there. So, just tradition, like we said, families, it's just gone on.
Oh, yeah, absolutely. The history, as I say, there's not anywhere in this country could take the place of a place like the Repton. It's a museum of boxing history in the East End of London. In this room here, if you look round and look at the wall behind you, you'll see untold initials of boxers and celebs who have been here over the years. It's called the famous Dirty Wall. So when they come here, they look for a little bit of grime, a little bit of filth, and they print their name. The last person to be here late last year was Ollie Mears, the singer. He put his name up on the third brick on the left-hand side. But if you look round, you see them all up there, Darren Barker, over the years, Andy Lee, everyone you can possibly think of in boxing, and even lads who've just been here like for a year, a season pop through, they've put their initials up here. if you walk around Bethnal Green to any bar or restaurant, they relate, this is theirs. It belongs to the community. Their kids have come here, their grandkids have come here, their uncles, and everyone, families, a traditional place. Everyone in Bethnal Green neighbourhood is very proud to have the Repton in its area. It's an iconic place. Wherever you go in the world, if you're wearing the Repton green and gold, they know where you come from. But everyone's very, very proud.